can see Joe's big head in the back.
Yeah,
right, let's go.
Because that, I mean, the mirror is very...
Yeah, you can open your window if you want.
Okay.
But apologies, the windows in the back do not open. So, how's everyone's driving going?
Well, I can drive from school to home now. I can do it.
It's impressive. This little car's got no power. Got no power. Yeah, when I try and have to go on a hill and I'm on a junction and I need to move off again, it's like really slow and I'm like, come on, don't roll back, you'll hit someone.
It's actually different, is it a petrol?
Yeah, it's a petrol.
Yeah, but you probably don't need like a big beast of a car at the moment.
Go to and from school, maybe the gym.
Yeah, it's exactly what you need.
Kim, where do you start braking when you're approaching this roundabout?
Well, I've lifted my foot off the accelerator.
Yeah.
Now I'm braking. Now I'm going down a gear. There's no one coming, so I'm just going to go.
Oh, because it always makes me stop so far back.
I need to indicate. I forgot about that. Do I go in this? Is it this first one?
This one.
Yeah.
And then you want to... Oh, we're going through drive-through, yeah?
Left
Yeah.
signal.
Yeah. Right, that way.
Oh.
There's speed bumps, so just...
I've never been to this McDonald's before.
Have you not?
No.
Oh, it's...
I can take order.
Hi, can we get a medium Coke, medium strawberry milkshake, 5 chicken selects, 3 chicken selects with barbecue sauce, and a small Coke. Don't laugh at me. And a regular Coke and a small chips. Unless you want anything.
No.
Okay. Yeah, that's it. Oh wait, drink and a small Coke.
A second one.
Yeah.
Anything else?
It's not on there.
Yeah, no, that's good.
Next window, please.
Yeah, it has. It's gone up by 2. Oh, it's up there. It's fine. Just go. Thank you.
Absolutely sweating.
Keep going. You're gonna have to go further. We've got 4 drinks. Well, you know what?
Thank you.
At least I got change for the bus.
Didn't get anything out of it. She got changed from
All right. Well, she resumed then. Halfway
Try and go
through.
closer to the window because I can.
Yeah, I was well far away.
Yes.
I've never had to do a drive-through before, guys. Give me a break.
You need to go further forward,
It's
Kim.
just slow on the road.
There you go. Alright. Make sure you get me my mouth. Oh my god. It always spilled. Yeah.
That's the milkshake.
Oh, thank you.
It's like, don't drop it.
Thank you. Thank you. Right.
We're so polite.
Do you want your drink now?
Yeah.
That's fine. Oh, did you want a big one?
Yours is the medium.
Oh yeah, Joe was the small.
Assume
And
we'll
then
just go out
the
where I
second
came in,
small.
yeah?
No, that way.
That way?
Yeah, that way.
Where?
Keep going, I'll show you, keep going.
I have no
So,
idea where it's
just drive through that little bit there, that space there. Let's not leave rubbish in
You're
the
very
car.
accelerated.
Yeah, try not to make too
Go
much
that way.
mess.
Yeah, so you're following that and then we'll come out like that on the roundabout.
Steps
You need to go left.
and aqua and blue.
Shut up.
Was that only me and you that got food?
Yeah, I think so. And you already had lunch before you came.
Oh my god, look at this dip. I didn't know they did ones this big. And I've got 2 of them.
For those of you who are like not driving yet, are you doing anything to prepare, or are you just waiting?
I'm just waiting for the right opportune moment.
Yeah, but what is the right opportunity?
When I'm not extremely busy, because I have school, I have work, I need to like find a time where I'm not worrying about other things and I can focus on driving.
Yeah guys, this isn't going to be a regular thing, I hope you know that. It's the last day, it's a special.
Yeah, exactly.
You see what music's on the radio?
Yeah, but is this a dual carriageway? Okay. Is it when it's 2 lanes, that's a dual carriageway? And any more than 2 is motorway?
I think so, I don't know.
What makes it a motorway?
If it has an M in front of it, like an M1, that's a motorway.
Good
I
answer.
don't know. I don't know what an A stands for.
Is A1 a motorway?
No. I don't know. I don't know the difference between a dual carriageway and a parkway.
Isn't parkway just the name? Because is this the parkway? Yeah. No.
No, I just drive on it and I
Guys,
don't
is this the